Hello and welcome back to the Kentucky Career Center's Assistive Technology Learning Portal. In this video, we're going to take a look at a mobile app made by Google called Live Transcribe. Live Transcribe is an accessibility app designed for the deaf and hard of hearing, but usable by anyone. Using Google's automatic speech recognition technology, Live Transcribe performs real-time transcription of speech and sound to text on your screen, so that you can more easily participate in conversations going on in the world around you. You can also keep the conversation going by typing your responses on the screen. Today, I'm using an Android smartphone running Android Pie. Live Transcribe is only available for Android devices. In another video, we'll look at a similar app for the iPhone. To begin, we'll open the Google Play Store. In the search box, type Live Transcribe. In the search results, look for the app made by Research at Google. Click Install. Once the app has finished installing, click Open. Next, you have to give the app permission to record audio. Click Allow. Now the program will transcribe any audio that it hears. In the upper right corner of your screen, you will notice a blinking circle. This shows the current volume of the person speaking and the background noise. The inside circle shows the volume of the person talking, while the outer circle shows the volume of the background noise. The toolbar at the bottom allows us access to the settings. You can see on the bottom right the language that you are trying to transcribe. You can switch between your primary and secondary languages quickly by tapping on the name of the language. I have mine set for US English and the Mexican dialect of Spanish. Clicking the gear icon in the bottom left will bring up the settings menu. The quick version of the settings menu allows you to change the size of the text that is displayed and allows you to choose to save your transcriptions. Turn on Save using the toggle switch, then your transcript will be saved for the next 3 days. You can access your transcripts easily by scrolling up. Click on the gear icon again and click on More Settings to enter the full settings menu. Under Display, you can touch Text Size to adjust the size of the display text. You can use the toggle switch to switch between the dark theme, which uses white text on a black background, and the light theme, which uses black text on white. The Audio and Language section lets you set your primary and secondary languages. Again, you can switch between these two quickly by tapping the name of the language at the bottom of the transcription screen. Under Saving, you again have the option of whether to save your transcriptions for 3 days. If you turn off this toggle switch, your transcripts will be deleted more quickly. You can touch Delete History to get rid of your old saved transcripts if you no longer need them. Under the Events heading, you can use the toggle switch to have your phone vibrate to get your attention when someone starts speaking again after a long pause. You can also toggle Sound Labels, which shows a label on the screen when there is a noise that is not words, such as laughter, coughing, or clapping. If you scroll down and touch Advanced Settings, you also have the option of a toggle switch to use a profanity filter and another toggle switch to show the hold button. The hold button stops scrolling to give you time to read the text, but continues to transcribe so that you can catch up at your own pace. Now I will use my phone's Go Back button to exit the settings menu and return to the transcription window. Notice that the video stopped transcribing while I had the settings menu open. I can scroll up on the screen to see my earlier transcripts. I can also click the keyboard icon on the bar at the bottom. This lets me respond to someone by typing, while I can continue to see their speech in the top window. This can be a great method of two-way communication. Type your response in the box, show it to the person, and then click Clear Typed Text. If you no longer need the keyboard, use your device's Go Back button to exit the keyboard screen. If you want to do something with your transcript, like save it using another app or share it in an email, simply press and hold on the text that you want. Your device will highlight the word you have selected. You can touch Copy to copy that word. You can touch Select Transcription to choose the entire conversation, or you can use the start and end points to select the part of the conversation that you want and then choose Copy. On my phone, I can touch the three dots next to Select Transcription and touch Translate to have Google Translate automatically translate my selection into another language. So that's it for this video on the Google Live Transcribe app available for Android devices from the Google Play Store. Be sure to check out our Learning Portal website for more videos on tools to help with communication and overcoming hearing issues. Thanks for watching.